once again to my YouTube chemistry channel. So from today onwards we are going to put up some videos on psychology also. We have a very special guest with us. So she has been associated with CBSE board Delhi school for last 14 years and she has been doing quite well. So today I feel like that I have been in touch with her and she is a very close to me. So I feel that why should not she also associated with this channel, so she can use her talent and she has been using her own experience with you. So she will from today onwards she will also upload few videos which will benefits all the students, those who have been doing class 11th and 12th from CBSE board. So this is the first video on my channel of psychology. So over to you, ma'am.
Good evening, students. This is pertaining to class 12th syllabus of psychology, CBSE board, chapter number 7, social influence and group processes. This chapter mainly focuses on aspects of group and how group influences individual behavior and individual influences group behavior. We all understand that social influence, as the name indicates, is all about society, and immediately outside the individual, whatever is existing immediately in the surrounding of the individual, that is called society. And how the society influences the person, which is actually coming under the process of group processes. So first thing that we have here, आप सब देख सकते हैं, it's an introduction. So you all know, we realize and we understand that in our day-to-day life we interact with our family, friends, teachers and classmates. These groups provide us the needed support, comfort and facilitates our growth and development as an individual. बच्चों, ये बहुत कॉमन फिनोमिना है जो हम सब एक्नॉलेज कर सकते हैं, जानते भी हैं कि डेली बेसिस पे फैमिली, फ्रेंड्स, टीचर्स एंड क्लासमेट्स, दे मेक आवर सराउंडिंग. When we are at home, our family is there. When we are relaxing ourselves, friends are there. Gaining knowledge, imparting knowledge is done by teachers. And when we are in a school surrounding or college surrounding, we are surrounded by our classmates. And sometimes classmates also happen to be our good friends. So when we talk about these four sections of the society, these four sections are influencing us very, very intensively and intimately as well. And what do we get from these four groups, four influences? That is much needed support, comfort, which facilitates our growth and development. And ये आप लोग जानते हैं कि growth and development जो है वो लाइफ लॉन्ग प्रोसेस होता है. कभी भी एक मुकाम पे आके हम रुकते नहीं हैं. ग्रोथ और डेवलपमेंट चलता रहता है, होता रहता है, जहाँ पे हम सीखते रहते हैं, जिसे हम कहते हैं एक्सपीरियंशियल लर्निंग, प्रैक्टिकल इंटेलिजेंस या फिर बिजनेस सेंस या फिर स्ट्रीट स्मार्टनेस, जिसमें हम अपने ही एक्सपीरियंस के मुताबिक अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करते हैं और ग्रो भी करते हैं इन टर्म्स ऑफ आवर नॉलेज, right? So what are these four things here? Family, friends, teachers and classmates. These are basically the groups we belong to, which are a part of the broader society. तो देखिए यहाँ दोनों चीज़ें आ गई, सोशल इन्फ्लुएंस भी आ गया और ग्रुप प्रोसेसेस भी आ गया, जो कि हम इस चैप्टर में पढ़ेंगे. This you can see is the first unit we spoke about, which is family. You can see that there is a lot of intimateness, there is a lot of belongingness. सब एक दूसरे के साथ जुड़े हुए हैं, जिसे हम family बोलते हैं. It is an inseparable part of our lives. The next that you can see here is friends. बहुत ही ज़रूरी अहम हिस्सा होता है हमारी लाइफ का. जब बच्चा बड़ा होता है, होश संभालता है, तो अपने माँ बाप, अपने फैमिली के बाद जो सबसे पहला सोर्स ऑफ अप्रूवल, सोर्स ऑफ आइडेंटिटी ढूंढता है, वो अपने फ्रेंड्स से ढूंढता है. देन वी हैव क्लासमेट्स. आज ऑनलाइन टीचिंग का टाइम चल रहा है बिकॉज ऑफ द पैंडमिक, बट वी ऑल अंडरस्टैंड दैट इवन इफ वी कैन नॉट सी ईच अदर, वी डू हैव आवर क्लासमेट्स अराउंड अस during online teaching, and we rely on our classmates to share our notes, get a lot of support in case you miss classes, and you also get a lot of moral support and emotional comfort when you relate yourself very well to your classmates, right? So what is a group? Now these are different types of group in which you can see some commonality, कुछ commonness है. So now in my next video you will understand what is actually the formal definition of a group. Thank you.
सो थैंक यू सो मच बच्चों. आई होप आप लोगों को अच्छा लगेगा ये वीडियो. इन केस इफ़ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो, आई होप, आई एम वेरी श्योर दैट you will appreciate this video. So ma'am will upload further videos, so do like, share and subscribe my channel, and you can give comments also, and whatever queries you have from today onwards regarding psychology subject also you can write down, so that we will be in touch with you. As I always said, please share these videos to the students, those who cannot afford expensive tuitions and coaching centers. So thank you once again. Do like, share and subscribe my channel.